One of the more powerful features within the interface is the smart search capability. And so I can come in here. I've got my pan-temporal timeline down here with all the recorded video. And then as I mouse over the camera, you'll notice the icon bars in the upper right corner. One of them is a little motion, and when you click on that, it'll say Smart Search. So what I'll do is I'll kind of queue this up, and so we'll go to this morning, and we'll go to the 7 a.m. hour. And so now my timeline represents the 60 minutes of 7 a.m. this morning, and I can use the motion man there and just click and drag here. And so when I do that, down across the bottom in the timeline, there's a red indication of every time there was motion in that area. So we can index about a year's worth of video in about a second, and I can go and click on that red indication in the timeline there, and I can see when that car pulled into the parking lot here this morning. So it's very simple and easy for the user to search through their video. You'll see the new right panel with the new search capabilities integrated into the right panel, as well as within the timeline itself. I'm going to pause that there. From the user standpoint, once they have the video they want, it's as simple as just right-clicking and dragging, and then they can come in here and export that video. They can export the video either as a single camera stream, or if they've got multiple cameras up, they can export up to 64 cameras simultaneously from the export capability, all built into this single interface without ever having to switch for anything. So it's seamlessly going from live to recorded video back to live with the simplicity of the interface.